Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, today we are going to do another video for the Christmas in July series, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this really fun embellishment that is super duper cute for Christmas. It is actually a little Polaroid embellishment, and in the Polaroid you have these really cute Christmas snow globes, shaker stickers that I got Tuesday morning. I will show them to you guys in a few seconds, but I just want to give you like a little close-up of what we're going to be doing. So these are so cute. These little embellishments are absolutely adorable. I love the sticker because, as you can see, there is one of those little shaker stickers that has glitter inside, and it's just super duper fun to create. So let me show you really quickly here how we made these adorable little snow globe Polaroid embellishment. I used the stickers that I found last week when I went to Tuesday morning. These stickers are super duper cute. They had a whole bunch of these, but I only bought two. They had two different kinds, like this one, and then they had another one that looked sort of like this. I didn't go crazy because I have tons of Christmas stuff that I can use, but I did love the fact that these stickers have like glitter inside, and they're like shakers, so they're just so cute, right? So I love them. So I grabbed a few of these. I grabbed actually two, and we're going to make a really fun embellishment. We're going to use this little globe right here that has I don't know if you can see, it has a cute little like a red truck for Christmas, and it's just super adorable. So we'll do that, okay? So let me bring you up close to show you how to put together this embellishment. It is really literally super duper easy to put together. You only need a few things. So you need a sticker, obviously. It doesn't have to be a shaker. It could be any kind of sticker in reality. It doesn't really have to be this particular sticker. If you guys watch my Christmas series haul, well, not haul, but Christmas series videos in the past, I've made tons of different embellishments using these little Polaroid paper. And I've done Christmas embellishments. I've done tons of Christmas, tons of Halloween. I think I even did like Easter using these really fun Polaroid paper. I don't remember the name of the paper in the top of my head right now, but I will do my best to link it at the bottom of this video. It comes in a 12 by 12, paper. And basically you have a whole bunch of these different kinds of Polaroid little embellishments, and then I just basically cut them out. So okay, so let's get started. So what I did with my little Polaroid, I kind of like distressed the edges using some brown ink and a little bit of this little gadget. I went around and just kind of distressed a little bit the edges of my little Polaroid. Okay, let me bring you a little bit more close if I can. So the sticker that we're going to use is going to be this one, like I said to you guys earlier. So we'll do that. And what you need to do is you need to find yourself, I found this Christmas like flower or like pick that I love to use. I love using Christmas picks for embellishments. I had this one laying around. It's this beautiful like glittery like rose gold pick that you just add into the Christmas tree, and I just love it. I thought it was beautiful. So I picked up one of these, and I kind of like used the like the leaf or this part here to make the embellishment stand out a little bit more. Okay, so like if you guys see here in this little embellishment, I added the flower right there and right there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add our little globe. I added some dimensions to the back of the globe so that I can kind of give it that look that is like sticking out of the Polaroid. So I'm going to add some dimensions on the back of the globe. And I'm going to add the globe right in the center of the Polaroid. Right there. See that? And then what I'm going to do is, I kind of like figured it out so that the little I guess you call this leaf would stick out from both ends. So what I did was I took my scissors, which I don't have, oh here it is. I took my scissors and I cut this in half. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue the one half that I cut right over this area of the sticker, and the other half that I cut, I'm going to actually attach it over the end, which is down here towards the sticker. And that's going to give it the illusion that the actual leaf is like actually longer than it needs to be, right? Just giving it that kind of like a nice cute illusion that the leaf is actually super long. So I'm going to add some hot glue to the one end of my leaf, and then I'm going to work really quickly, and I'm going to stuff this in here. And you don't want the part where you cut off the leaf, you don't want that to show, so try to hide that inside your sticker. And I'm going to do the same thing on this end. Again, and you don't want your sticker to kind of, there we go. And that's going to give it the illusion that the leaf is actually going this way. See that? How pretty does that look? I love that idea. Okay, so now we're going to embellish the little Polaroid. Already it looks beautiful, right, the way it is, but we're going to make it more prettier. So I'm using these really fun paper flowers that I got at Michael's, and they look like this. I don't know if you guys remember these flowers, but they used to have these like a while ago. They still do have some flowers, not particularly this one, but they do carry other beautiful flowers at Michael's, so just keep an eye for them. But I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to add it to my embellishment right in the little corner of the Polaroid, which I'm going to add right on this corner right there, just to give it a cute little fun look to it. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue in the back, and it's just going to give it a really fun, kind of shabby-ish look to your embellishment. And then what I also did was I added a cute little red button, just giving it a kind of like a pop of color. I have tons of these red buttons here that I absolutely love to use during Christmas. And so I want to add this red button right over this area right here. It's not going to really show too much, but you will see like that pop of red color popping out, and I kind of like that look. So I'm gonna do that. Now you don't have to use buttons if you don't have. You can always use pom-poms, or you can always also use maybe some sequins if you have. You can also use some, like maybe you could put a like another button, like some kind of bow if you want, or you know, use something else. If you don't have any buttons that you can't use, then you can kind of use something else to kind of cover that little space right there. Now we're basically almost done. All we need to do is we're going to add a cute little bow right on this corner of the embellishment, because I thought that the bow really kind of made it stand out. As you can see here, it just looks super duper cute, this little bow right here. And you guys know how obsessed I am about this red and white twine that Michael sells during Christmas. Absolutely love it and am super duper obsessed with it. And so I'm going to add this bow that I made earlier, and I'm going to add it right in the little corner of my embellishment right there. So let's add some hot glue. And then what I also did, just to be a little bit special, right? Just to give it a little bit of a cute look to my embellishment, I just thought that these glittery colors really look nice together. So what I did is I also created another little bow using my silver and gold thread. I kind of took two of them, a little piece of both, and I made a bow, and I created, oops, my fan just blew my little bow away. I created this cute little bow out of the gold and silver thread. It's very simple, and I thought it was really fun, and it gave it like a really nice pop of look to the embellishment. So I'm going to add that right in the center of the red and white bow. And the last thing that we're going to do to finish off this adorable embellishment is we're going to use these amazing, delicious, they're not delicious, but they just look so delicious to me. These little tiny red, gold, silver little balls that I get at the Dollar Tree. These are like super duper awesome to use for millions of projects. If you guys watch my Christmas haul last year, you knew that I went crazy buying these at the Dollar Tree. I have so many of them. And so I'm going to use actually the gold in this project because it kind of goes along with the sparkly of the leaf, along with the inside of the globe that has those amazing, beautiful sequins and glitter. And so I'm going to use the gold to kind of make it stand out a little bit more. And I'm going to add it right in the center of my bow. And then we are done. Literally, it took me no time to create this adorable embellishment. I do love it because I think it's just so pretty. It looks so like so well made and so complicated, but as you can see, it's so simple, right? It looked like it took you forever to make this embellishment. In reality, it really just took us a few minutes to create. It doesn't take that long, but if you look at it, and if nobody knows that you made this, they will probably tell you you spent like hours making this. It's just beautiful. I love it. I think it turned out so pretty. I love the sequins inside the globe. It just makes it so festive and so Christmas inspired. And I really do love the red button that kind of stands out with the red and white twine bow. So this is such a cute project to create, very simple. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these really adorable embellishments. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments, guys. And thank you so much for returning to my channel. I'm really happy that I inspire you guys to create some crafting. And I wish that I will continue to inspire you guys, okay? So I will see you on my next video. Be safe and take care. Bye.